we will make an umbrella. Row 1, make 8 magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Row 2, make 2 single crochet every stitches. Follow this pattern until the end, and we will have 16 single crochet for total. Row 3, make single crochet in the first stitch. Next stitch 2 single crochet. Single crochet, 2 single crochet. Single crochet, 2 single crochet. Follow this pattern until the end, and we will have 24 single crochet for total. Row 4, make single crochet every stitches. Follow this pattern until the end, and we will have 24 single crochet for total. Row 5, make single crochet in the first stitch. Second stitch single crochet again, and third stitch 2 single crochet. Single crochet, single crochet, 2 single crochet. Follow this pattern until the end, and we will have 32 single crochet for total. Row 6, make single crochet every stitches. Follow this pattern until the end, and we will have 32 single crochet for total. Row 7, make single crochet in the first stitch. Second stitch single crochet, third stitch single crochet again, and fourth stitch 2 single crochet. Single crochet 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and 2 single crochet. Follow this pattern until the end, and we will have 40 single crochet for total. Row 8, make single crochet 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 single crochet. Single crochet 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 single crochet. Follow this pattern until the end. Row 9 to row 10, we just make single crochet every stitches. Follow this pattern until the end, and we will have 48 single crochet for total. Row 11, make slip stitch 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then make 3 chains, 2, 3, and make single crochet 2 times. 1, 2, and then slip stitch in the next stitch. Make slip stitch 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and then make single crochet 2 times, 1, 2, and slip stitch in the next stitch. Follow this pattern until you have like this 6 times. Prepare a little 6 wire and the long wire. We will glue the wire with glue gun. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you in the next my another tutorial.